What's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to Tech Intro, the place where we simplify gadgets and bring you the best tech picks. Gaming monitors can make or break your setup. But what makes a gaming monitor worth it? It's not just refresh rate or size. It's the harmony of speed, clarity, color, and immersion. The kind of screen that makes your gameplay feel alive, where every frame counts and every detail pops. In today's video, we're counting down the best budget gaming monitors in 2025, all under reasonable price tags, but each bringing that wow factor you'd expect from high-end models. Let's start the countdown. Starting our list is the best budget pick, an ideal entry point into high refresh rate gaming, the Samsung Odyssey G3. For an incredible price, you get a 27-inch screen with a fluid 180 Hz refresh rate. In fast-paced games like Apex Legends or Forza, that leap from a standard 60 Hz monitor is a genuine game changer. It also features a solid ergonomic stand and free sync support to eliminate ugly screen tearing. So, what's the catch? At 27 inches, the 1080p resolution isn't the sharpest, and its brightness maxes out around 250 nits. But if you're looking for your first high FPS monitor, the G3 is a fast, reliable, and affordable ticket into a much smoother world. At number 4, we have a 240 Hz beast on a budget for gamers. Meet the ASUS 27G2Z. This monitor pushes a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate on its 27-inch curved VA panel. That's 4 times the frames of a standard screen, making your inputs feel instantaneous. The immersive curve pulls you into the action, and the high contrast panel makes colors pop beautifully. The trade-off here is common for budget speedsters. You might notice some motion blur or ghosting in dark scenes, and the 1080p resolution is a bit soft on a 27-inch display. But if your goal is maximum frames for a competitive edge, this is one of the fastest monitors you can get for the money. Sliding into our number 3 spot is the perfect balance, affordable quality performance, and arguably the best all-arounder of 2025, the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ3A. This monitor nails the sweet spot. You get a crisp 1440p QHD resolution on a vibrant fast IPS panel, paired with a silky smooth 180 Hz refresh rate. But its secret weapon is ASUS's ELMB sync, which lets you use motion blur reduction at the same time as adaptive sync. That's a premium feature that ensures your game is both tear-free and crystal clear in motion. Honestly, it's tough to find a flaw. While the HDR performance is basic, the combination of QHD sharpness, brilliant colors, and elite gaming features makes this the best balanced monitor on our list. At number 2, we have a monitor built for the competitive edge. This is the Dell G2524H, a true esports machine. This 24.5-inch fast IPS panel boasts a jaw-dropping 280 Hz refresh rate, overclocked. For competitive titles like Valorant or CS2, where every millisecond is the difference between victory and defeat, this speed feels almost like cheating. The smaller 24.5-inch size is deliberate. It's the pro-preferred size for keeping the entire screen in your field of view for maximum focus. Yes, it's a 1080p monitor, so it won't have the stunning detail of a 1440p screen. But for competitive players, frame rate is king, and nothing beats this level of speed and responsiveness for the price. And our number 1, we have the Ultrawide Glory for Less, MSI Mag 346 CQ 34 inches. This is a massive 34-inch ultra-wide QHD curved monitor running at a smooth 180 Hz. The 21:9 aspect ratio isn't just a feature, it's an experience. In RPGs like Cyberpunk 2077 or racing sims, the world wraps around your vision, creating an unparalleled sense of immersion. It's a cinematic powerhouse on a gamer's budget. As a VA panel, you might see minor ghosting in dark scenes, and you'll need a capable GPU to drive all those pixels. But if you want to transform your desk into an immersive command center, the MSI MAG346CQ is the undisputed king of value. So there you have it, 5 gaming monitors that prove top-tier performance doesn't require a top-tier budget. Which one fits your style? Are you an esports purist chasing frames with the Dell, or an immersion seeker ready for that MSI Ultrawide? Let me know your favorite pick in the comments below. If you're ready to upgrade, all the product links are in the description. Smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world tech insights, where we help you spend smart, not more. Remember, your gear doesn't define your skill, but it sure makes it look good.